Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. Okay, so in last session we have seen what is use effect. Okay, in that I have explained all the things why we use effect and what is the use and all. Okay, so today we'll see with the condition, by using condition, how we can use that use effect in any application. For example, if you're doing any application, then with some condition you want to execute some APIs. Suppose, for example, with some condition you want to call some APIs, or you want to print something with that condition. Means two functions at a time. If you want to run that time also, you can use the use effect. Okay, so today we'll see. So before that I want to explain all the things. You can see here I have written the program. Some program I have written, not whole program, so it will save our time, right? So because of that only already I have written, because already I told all these things, so I think no need to tell again and again. So once I'll explain all the things. Okay, so what I have done, I have created one function component, that is use effect with condition. Okay, the function name is like that. Then you can see here I have imported use effect and use state from React. Then here I have done two states, that is data and count. Okay, use state. So initial value of data is 0 and initial value of count is 0. Here you can see. Then next, what I have done, in return I have taken two buttons, that is update data and update count. Means what we are doing, we are updating the data as well as our count is also we are updating, means we are increasing by one. Okay, uh, then for this button and for this button also we have written two functions, that is handle change and handle change one. Here two buttons are there, you can see. This is the two function, that is one is handle change and one is handle change one. Handle change is working for update data and handle change one is working for update count. Okay, so what we'll do here, update count will increment by 2 because both will be same, right? So we'll keep some difference in that. Okay, so what we are doing now, whatever the updating the things that we are updating here, means what will happen. See, initial the state of this data and count will be 0. We'll see that, I'll show you that. You can see here the initial value of data and count is what, 0. It is, you can see it is 0, right? Okay, then so what we're doing now, okay, it is 0. So whenever I will click on this button update data, that time it will come, this handle change will work. Okay, here we are setting the data, means whatever the data value is, 0 plus 1 is what, 1. Okay, so it will increment by 1. Then that effect, it will update, it will update the value of data, so that value will affect here in data. So here we will see the incremented value. Okay, same for handle change one also. Here also what we are doing, we are calling here handle change one function for update count. Then here you can see set count, like account initial value of count is 0, then set count is what it is doing, it is updating the value. Means for example, if the initial value is 0, 0 plus 2 is what, 2, right? So it will increment by 2. Then 2 plus 2 is what, 4. So it will increment by 4. So like that we're incrementing here. That I'll show you here. First we'll check that. You can see here, update the data, we're incrementing by 1. Let's see, 1 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Then you can see a count, first 2 because we're incrementing by 2, right? So 2 4 6, like that. Okay, so with this function we want to do something. Okay, just do something in the sense what, I'll print something. Okay, for that I want to execute some function with when there is a change in data and when there is a change in count, I want to do something. So that I will do by using use effect. So what I will do, I will take a use effect function. Okay, so I'm writing function for that. Then here what I want to do, I want to console, means I'll print something in console. Okay, for right now you can do any function, but for understanding purpose I'm doing here. Okay, here I'm taking update data change. Means whenever my data is updating, that time this should run, this should work. Okay, so for that here I have to take one condition, that condition will come here. So take comma in square bracket, here I'll take data. Okay, means whenever the data will change, this will execute, that will see whether it will work or not. Okay, so this only we call with the condition, as I was telling you, with condition we'll see use effect. This only with this condition it should work. Okay, so we'll check now. Okay, so you can see it is working already. See, while updating count, you can see the console. While updating count, nothing is printing, right? But when I will update the data, you can see here it is incrementing 1 2 3 4. You can see here, means with the condition our function is working, right? This our function is working, that is with condition. Okay, see here I can take this also. For example, for both I want to run one function only, means while updating data also and while updating count also it should work. If that is the condition, that also we can do. By taking data and count, we can take one time only, then now it will work for both. That I'll show you. You can see here, I'll clear this. Okay, now you can see I'm updating the data. You can see it is printing, right? Earlier for count it was not printing. You can check here, while I'm counting here it is incrementing. It means for counting also it is working. Why it is working? Because I have given a condition like for data also it should work and for count also it should work. For that it is working. Okay, this is with both. Suppose if I want separate, that also I can do. Sorry, it has taken one, so that also I can do. So what I will do, I will write one more use effect. So in both way, if I tell now, you will get easily, you will understand. So I'm telling this. Okay, so I'll write here console.log. Here I will write update um, data change. Okay, okay. Here update data change, and this should work with the count. Okay, means whenever I'm changing the count, whenever I'm updating the count, that time this here count will come. Count change should work, and whenever I'm updating the data, then data change should work. Let's check now how it will work. Okay, so I will clear all this thing. It is initial 0. See, first I will see the count. You can see here it is count is changing, okay, which is perfect. Then next we'll see the update data. You can see here update data. For update data also my function is working, means both are working correctly. There is no problem. Whatever the condition we have written, that is working correctly. Means for data change, when updating the data, this function is working. Here we have given condition, so when data is incrementing, this is incrementing, then in console it is printing, right? So this is the use of use effect, which we can use with condition also and without condition. Without condition means it will work all the time. For refresh also it will work. Okay, so this is about the use effect with condition. I hope you got this. And suppose then also if you're not getting anything, if you have any queries, questions, anything in your mind is in mind going on, then please comment in comment box. And see, already I have done lots of videos on React, so you can visit in our channel, then you will get lots of videos and informations and all. Okay, so please guys, like, share and subscribe to our channel. I hope if you feel this is useful, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, and our target is 5k family. We need to do as soon as early, so please guys subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much everyone, guys. Keep supporting, guys.